camping tonight.
Camping? Like sleeping under the stars camping? Like not having a toilet camping, like you have to dig a hole to go potty camping? Or like camping like you have to fish for your own food, otherwise you'll starve to death?
Yeah, kind of like that, yeah, but a little less stressful. Yeah, camping, like hanging out as a family and spending time together out in nature. Yeah, we could get a breath of fresh air and just do something different.
Nope, I hate it. I don't want to go camping. I like being right here in our house. I think it sounds cool. Can we go surfing? We're camping. You can't go surfing when you're camping, Harper.
Actually, where we're gonna camp, there's gonna be a little bit of a river, and we could surf a little bit. It's gonna be different than ocean surfing, but yeah, we could try it out.
Oh, could we bring the boat?
Why, yes, cutie. We are going to bring the boat. Doesn't that sound fun?
Yeah, sounds a little bit more fun.
Well, girls, I think you're all gonna love it. Let's pack up and head out.
Is it super far from here? Like, is it gonna be a long drive? Yeah, I don't like sitting in the car that long.
No, don't worry. It won't be a long drive. It's actually quite close.
Well, we have to drive a little bit just to get out of town. So, it has to be a little bit of a drive.
Girls, I think you're absolutely gonna love it. Yep, I think you will. You'll definitely have fun. All right, everybody. Let's pack up and get in the car and start driving. All right, here we go, kiddos.
I'm just so excited to get you girls out in nature. This is gonna be a great overnighter out here. We're all so excited, honey. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah, I definitely think so. Oh, hey, look, we're here. I'm gonna park close to the water. Whoa, Ken, slow down, not too close.
What is happening? Oh my gosh!
Kids, I've seemed to have driven into the river. Everybody, get out and climb out.
Everybody climb up! We're getting to safety! Oh my gosh, that was so scary! Hey, Harper, I didn't know your hair went red and you have a red heart around your eye. That's really cool. Well, yeah, when I'm in cold water, that's what happens. That water was freezing. Mom, Dad, you gotta get out!
We will, honey. We're just kind of stuck. But we'll get out. Don't worry about us. Let me put this in four-wheel drive. Here we go. Yeah, you got it, honey. Yeah, we're not quite out yet. Oh, man. There we go. Oh, that was scary. Oh, honey, you saved us.
We're worth saving, my dear.
OMG! You guys made it! You guys are alive!
Oh, yeah, thanks for staying alive, Mom and Dad. We would hate to become orphans. Yeah. All right, girls, now let's set up for camp. Okay. All right, my cute babies. Who is ready to go surfing? Whoa, this is amazing! I love this, Mom. You're the best surfer ever! Whoa, the water's really cold. Whoa, I'm gonna fall off. Whoa, this is so cool. Hey, girls, who wants to go boating with me?
Ooh, I do, Dad, I do. Oh yeah, me too.
Alrighty then, jump in. Alrighty, girls, let's get in the water.
Yeah!
Woo! Yeah, this is fun, huh, girls?
Yeah, Dad, but we're kind of going backwards.
That's okay. I'm fine with that. I'm still learning how to drive this thing, I guess.
Yeah, we can tell, Dad.
Whee! Loop-de-loops. Here we go. Okay, I'm almost right side. Oh, it makes it cool going backwards. What can I say?
Yeah, Dad, you really need to learn how to drive this boat.
I know. Oops. Alright, I'm good. As long as we're all having fun, right? Yeah, Dad. As long as we're all having fun.
Woo! Yeah, you. Woo! Woo! Ah! Dad! Ah! What?
Woo! Yeah! This is alive! Ah! Yeah! Wow! Holy cow! I'm a good driver. I know it. Well, that was a blast. Alright, kiddos. It's getting kind of cold and we should probably start setting up for camp. Okay, Dad. Sounds good.
Okay! Oh my gosh, boating was so fun! I know, and my favorite part was when we were going backwards and Dad was like, I'm such a great driver, aren't I? I know, he's not that great of a driver, but we'll tell him that he gets to make him feel better about himself. Oh, hey guys, what'd I miss? You missed that we almost died. No, we had a lot of fun. You missed out on a lot of fun, Harper. I don't know. I went surfing with Mom, and it was a lot more fun than boating. We were like catching all these waves and stuff. It was totally awesome.
Hey, girls, I would like for you guys to go ahead and set your beds up and stuff.
Okay, did we bring tents to sleep in?
Oh, yes, we did. But I thought it would be fun to sleep under the stars, so we brought some like bed cot things and some blankets so we could all sleep under the stars tonight. How does that sound?
That sounds amazing. Hey, yeah, that actually sounds pretty fun. I'm down for that. So this is where we're sleeping tonight?
Yeah, doesn't it sound fun?
Yeah. Hey, Yummy, I have a concern over here.
Cutie, what's your concern?
Harper sleepwalks, and I'm worried that she might sleepwalk into the river, and we'll never see her again. Yeah, and I'd be worried that Harper would hear the water flowing down the river and wet the bed. You guys, there's nothing wrong with me. I'm just fine. I don't sleepwalk or wet the bed.
Oh, girls, you and your imaginations. You guys will be just fine, don't worry. It's gonna be so amazing being able to see the water and the river flowing, and it's so beautiful out here.
Just look. Isn't that gorgeous? All of this beauty around us. I love it. Oh, yeah, it is very pretty.
Alright, girls, well, I think we should try to get some shut-eye. It's starting to get late, and we want to have a fun early morning tomorrow.
Okay, Mom. Okay, finally we get to sleep. Good night, beautiful world. Good night, Harper. Good night, cutie. Ah, what a beautiful evening. All right, good night, husband. Good night, wife. Sleep tight. Thanks, I will. Turkeys, crossing the road, honking at them. Bye, turkeys. See ya.